Stop where you are, Angel.
Angel, you won't be able to beat me to the park.
Yes.
No. Bye, Angel. Bye. Angel.
What?
Look. Your wheel's falling off. Oh no. Angel, you can't drive it like that.
I need it on.
Leo, come on, let's fix it.
Oh yeah. Come on, Leo the mechanic.
Leo's a mechanic. Where we live, there's a little forest. It's only really small, and I'm gonna go hard these toys, this bird, and this truck, and Leo and Angel have to find them. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, if you like this video. Angel, come back. Where we going, Angel?
And Daddy's gonna.
Leo, what's happened?
I'm scared.
What's happened? Oh no! Let me give you a push, ready? Go, go, go!
I'm tired. We need to go home because my car's broken down. Look. It's red.
Oh no, the battery's flat. We've charged it all day as well. It must be. Oh, slow down, slow down.
Can have my car.
Oh, Angel, can you use your Range Rover? Okay. Right, we've swapped Angel's car and put that one in because the battery's flat. Go, go, go! Go! Go, Leo! Go through that puddle as fast as you can. Go, 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 go! Woo! Good job, Leo! Have you got battery in there?
Yeah.
Go then. Where we going?
This works.
Let's close the garage. Whoa! That one's fast. It's got a full battery. Okay, I'm just closing the garage door. Let's go, let's go. Go, 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 Leo. Go, go, go. Go. Catch Angel. Catch Angel. Catch Angel.
Come on, Leo. Come on, Angel. Let's go really fast. Let's go really fast. Go, 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 go.
Mummy, me and Daddy going to do this one.
And we're going to catch Angel.
Catch Angel.
Let's get her. Let's get her. Go, Leo.
What you get for speeding? Oh, he caught me.
Get out the car, Angel.
Leo, come on, we've got one.
Okay.
Come on, Leo. We've got one. Get out the car. Right, walk on that line. Make sure you haven't had no beer. Leo, do you think she's had any beer?
Yeah.
Right, arrest her. Arrest her, Leo.
Ah! No! You won't catch me.
Stop! Stop where you are! Stop where you are! Where you are, Angel!
See you later, sucker.
Angel, you won't be able to beat me to the park.
Yes.
No. Bye, Angel! Bye! Angel!
What?
Look! Your wheel's falling off. Oh no. Angel, you can't drive it like that.
I need it on.
Leo, a wheel's falling off. Go get it. Try and drive it. It'll be funny. Leo, come on, let's fix it.
Oh yeah. Come on, Leo the mechanic.
Leo's a mechanic. Right, Angel, let's try it. We've done the fix. We've done the fix. Let's go. Here we are at the park. Oh, crash. This isn't a very good park, Angel.
Yeah.
It's not, look. There's two swings over there. There's a slide and 2 baby swings.
We're not allowed bikes here.
No, we're not allowed bikes here. Park it up.
Two little babies.
Ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
off.
Hey!
Back to me.
Get away! Get off! Leo, look at my t-shirt! Get off! We're going to the sweetie shop. Batteries are flat, we're pushing it home and then we're going to the ice cream parlour to relax. I'm so tired.
Come on, get moving.
Angel, come on, we're going to the ice cream parlour.
Yeah.
Because I am absolutely shattered. Look at me, I'm sweating. Daddy Joe is pushing an electric car for about half a mile. We've had enough of pushing cars out in the cold, so where are we going, Angel?
Ice cream.
We're going to the ice cream parlour. Let's go. Angel, which one are you going to have?
I'm gonna have a pancake.
A pancake?
I'm gonna have a pancake.
What you going to have, Leah?
And I want ice cream on top of it.
Ooh, a filler.
And I want the ice cream on top of my waffle. Ice cream on top of my waffle with some beans. I'm really hungry.
Are you ready for your ice cream?
Yeah.
Which ice cream did you order?
Toffee.
Toffee. And I got loads of stuff.
Go that one or that one.
Angel, that's mine. That's my dessert. Ooh. Yeah, go on, get it eaten. Leah, that's mine as well. What do you think? Is that nice, Leah? Yeah. Oh, you guys, that's mine, and you've nearly eaten it all. Look at you. Yo, I haven't eaten a single piece. You are greedy little guys. Is that piece for me?
Nope.
No. Is that your ice cream? Let's take a video. Whoa, look at that.
So good.
Look what Daddy got. Cookie dough. Nice. Leo, don't eat the ice cube. Don't eat the ice cubes. Hey! Is it cold? Is it freezing? Can you talk? Oh, have you enjoyed today, guys? Are you going to say bye to everybody?
Bye!
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 See you all on the next video.